And so often I have seen in my work as a clinical psychologist for over 20 years is people telling themselves that when they're angry, they are right and they are actually loving the feeling, the intensity, the adrenaline rush of feeling right and empowered and strong when they're angry. So, this is the question. Am I liking too much how angry I feel in this moment? Am I liking too much how angry I feel in this moment? Am I liking it too much? Am I feeling really strong in my anger in this moment? Now, a lot of times people actually prefer to feel angry as opposed to sad or depressed. And this might not surprise you. Perhaps you can even relate yourself. But when we feel sad or depressed, sometimes we feel kind of withdrawn and sometimes we feel defeated. We don't necessarily feel strong. In fact, maybe we're having a moment where we feel weak. It doesn't mean we're weak, but these are feelings, right? Well, a lot of times people much prefer feeling angry because anger can feel like a very empowering emotion. You really own your space. You feel sure and certain about your feelings. It is an empowering emotion. But do not let anger be an opiate for you. Anger can almost function like a drug in that it can hit you so strong, and people can feel in that moment so sure, so certain, so strong, and they like that feeling, but they get stuck in the anger too much. They get so stuck that they don't listen to the other person or other people. They don't think about other possible alternatives. They get stuck in that moment of strength and power and feeling right. The question is, do we want to be right or do we want to feel balanced? Do we want to be right or do we want to be happier? Do we want to be right or do we want to find a way to have some peace in this relationship that has upset us? Okay. So these questions, I hope, have really gotten you thinking about ways to clock your own anger